Want to make money from the comfort of your home? Well, let me introduce you to the Lucky Scratch Card app, your one-stop solution to earning money from home. This isn't just any app, it's the highest-paying rewards app on the Play Store. You heard right, this app pays you real money just for scratching cards. Imagine you're sitting on your couch scratching virtual cards and earning real cash. Now, that's what I call easy money. And it's not just one type of card, there are 4 different scratch cards you can choose from. Whether you're feeling like a winner with Scratch and Win, seeing stars with Lucky Stars, striking gold with gold bullions, or tripling your luck with Triple Lucky 7, there's a card for every mood, so why wait? Turn your lazy afternoons into paydays. Lucky Scratch Card app is the right place to earn money easily and withdraw securely. Ready to dive into the features of the Lucky Scratch Card app? Well, hold on tight because this ride is all about excitement and rewards. The Lucky Scratch Card app is not your ordinary rewards app. It's a treasure chest filled with 4 different types of scratch cards, each one offering a unique experience and the chance to win big. First up, we have the Scratch and Win card. As the name suggests, all you need to do is scratch and you could win. It's simple, it's fun, and it's potentially lucrative. You never know what's underneath that silver coating. It could be a small reward or a significant cash prize. Next, we have the Lucky Stars card. Now, this is where things get interesting. With Lucky Stars, you're not just scratching off a card, you're uncovering a constellation of possibilities. Winning here could mean anything from a cash reward to a high-value gift card. Then there's the Gold Bullions card. This is no ordinary scratch card. This is like panning for gold in the digital age. Each scratch could reveal a nugget of gold in the form of cold, hard cash. With every swipe, you're a step closer to hitting the jackpot. Last but not least, we have the Triple Lucky 7 inches card. This card triples your chances of winning. 3 sevens could mean thrice the cash rewards. This card is all about the thrill of possibility and the joy of winning. But wait, there's more. The Lucky Scratch Card app also offers premium cards. These cards come with higher rewards and the chance to win a mega jackpot. Imagine scratching off a card and finding out you've won a life-changing amount of money. That's the kind of thrill the Lucky Scratch Card app offers. All this and more from the comfort of your home. You can earn money anytime, anywhere, and withdraw securely, fast, and easy directly to your preferred virtual wallet. With Lucky Scratch Card app, you can make every day a payday. Still wondering why you should choose the Lucky Scratch Card app? Let's jog your memory. This isn't just an app, it's a golden opportunity to earn real money anytime, anywhere. All you need is your phone and a bit of luck. The Lucky Scratch Card app is the highest-paying rewards app on the Play Store, offering you 4 different scratch cards to choose from. Each one is your ticket to exciting cash rewards. And let's not forget about the premium cards, your gateway to higher rewards and a chance to win that huge jackpot. It's like having a payday every day, and when it's time to cash out, you can withdraw securely, fast, and easy directly to various virtual wallets, including PayPal, Coinbase, Amazon, and Payeer. Don't wait. Start earning now with the Lucky Scratch Card app. Share this video and subscribe to our channel for more.